Hello everyone, welcome back to this lecture. In this lecture, we will be completing up the texturing the room as well as we will be adjusting the light. So this will be the end of the lecture that we will be completing. So we will be completing the basics of the virtual reality. So let's quickly move back to Unity. So this was the last thing that we did. We have created the operation of that particular teleport button and we were able to teleport from one place to another. Right now, we will be texturing the room. So that for that you will be opening the asset store. So we have opened the asset store. Now we will be searching for some of the room textures. And we will be filtering some of the free one for the free assets that are available. So this is out of stock right now. So I will be searching something else like wall textures. And I will be filtering it for the free one. So you can see these are some of the textures. So I will be taking this 18 high resolution wall textures. And I can be importing this packages or I will be downloading this package. So it's kind of a similar thing that we have done before, like we were importing the furniture. Similarly, you will be importing some of the textures that are available on this asset store. So you can see that this is the import Unity package that allows different numbers of textures. So you will be just hitting import button. So we are done with the import right now. So I will be going back towards the packages, or I will be just making this thing large so that it will be going back to the scene right now. I will be hitting on project, and over here you can see you can see the ADG textures right now over here. And in the walls you can see there are plenty of walls. So there are 18 walls texture over here. So I will be just hitting one, and like you can just drag and place them. So I will be putting over here. Yeah, so this is the floor, like okay, the floor doesn't seems right now. Okay, this one, no. This one, no, I don't think so. No, I don't like this kinds of walls right now over here, so I will be looking at the folder, so that will be great for me. Let's pick up this one if I need this kind of a wall, or this wall. The black one looks great. So I can apply different kinds of textures on different walls. So I will be applying different textures on different walls, so it will be great for us. So I will be going back, and the white one will be coming over here. It's quite bright, so I will be putting this one. So it seems like it's a kind of a cave, right? Because all the textures are of this kind. Putting this one, yeah, this seems right. So I will be putting this or this one. This one will be better for the flow. So you can see that we have textured all the 4 walls right now. Or how many walls that we have textured? We have textured all the 4 walls, including the floor, and we are left with the roof right now. So I will be putting for the roof. No, this one will be good. So you can see I have textured all the walls. You can also put the floor for the floor if I need it. There it goes. So it seems like a cave right now. So you can also add different kinds of textures for your room that is required as per your requirements. You can also go in the bar chair. We were having the prefab over here, so no problem for that. So over here you can see they also have the texture. So you can also add the texture to the objects that are present over there. Like the floor, this is for the floor one, so I will be adding here. This is great for the floor. It seems good. Similarly, if I add to the objects that are available over here. No, not this one. This one seems fine. Similarly, if I want to put on the chair, I will be putting this one. The canvas is coming in between, that's why it's creating a problem for us. There it goes. Yes, there it is. Similarly, you can put for the furniture, that is for the TV furniture, we have the textures over here. So I will be dragging and putting it on the TV furniture. So that's quite great for us. So whatever the textures that you are downloading or whatever the things that you are putting in it, they are always comes with the texture that are available over it. So you can see these are the lamp textures that are present over here. So let's go towards the lamp right now, and we will be putting some of the texture on the lamp. So there it goes, for the you got a texture for the lamp also. So different types of textures that are available. So this is it. So we have added the textures right now to all the walls as well as all the objects that are available. So let's focus on the lightning part. So I will be going in window, you can going in the rendering, then in the lightning setting. So over here you can see the intense multiplier is very at a great number. So I will be decreasing it, and you can see the brightness also decrease. So I will be putting at 0.27. And you can also, it's up to you what is the ambient mode. I'm putting it at the real time, so it will be taking the real time references. Now let's go to towards the light part. So this is the light that we are having right now. I will be clicking on light. This is the box that we are having, so I will be putting it on light, and over here you can select the color. That is up to you, like what kind of a color you need. First of all, I will be changing the mode, and I will be putting in real time. And it's up to you how much range do you need. It's 8 or how much, or like if I'm putting it 8 or I'm increasing the range, so it will be lighting up the room. Similarly, you can increase the intensity. If I'm putting it 5, you can see what is the intensity of that particular light in the game section. So if I'm putting at 3, it's quite good. If I'm putting 4.5, it will be increasing the intensity. So that's it. Or you can also put the shadows also. I will be taking as a soft shadow. So it will be looking great in the room. So the room is quite lightened up. So let's give it the final try. So I will be playing the object right now. So you can see this is the game that we have created, or the virtual reality. So I will be just moving all around. So you can see the lamp over here that is present. It is giving too much of light. So I will be decreasing the intensity right now over here. So right now I will be decreasing the intensity because the intensity was quite huge. We were working on this particular lamp, right? But right now the intensity was given from this particular lamp. So let's do the setting of this particular light. So first of all, we will be going into the light. We will be putting the range as 8. Intensity is 4.5 is enough for this particular thing. I will be putting at 2. Putting it at real time. So you can see that it's quite brightened up. So I will be putting it to 1. That is good. You can see in the room or in the game section that it's too bright. So I will be putting 0.5 so that the room gets lightened enough. So let's play the game section. I will be increasing the view of this. That's it's quite visible. So while rotating, you can see I will be putting teleport, so I can get teleport from one particular thing. You can see the canvas is also moving along with us. So I came out of that. Yes. So you can see this light is too bright. You can adjust the light and you can make it slow. So you can see that this is a bar chair. This is that's a wooden table, and you can also put some more furniture like the television over here. Yes. So you can adjust it. So this is I will be putting the teleport button. I will be stopping the game over here. So whenever you want to, now we have to render this complete game, you will be building this game as we have told in the previous lecture in the starting, so that you can build this game for a particular, whether it's your iOS or Android, you can put it in your VR headset and you can virtually play this thing. So this is the end of the lecture as well as the end of the course. So we have learned all about the virtual reality, or we can say the basic of the virtual reality that you can create. Thank you.